Well, what's going on, YouTube? Fucking been working on my girl's car all day. Did you a video of it before starting it and shit like that, and I ran into a problem. She's got the brand new Soundstream 8.3 10 whatever VIR 8310, and everything's hooked up, everything's wired the right way, everything's done. This is like digital audio amplifier, which those RCAs connect to the back of the deck. Don't ask me why, but that's the way it is. And these are all the colored wires. Everything's all hooked up to the factory harness, which is this right here. It clips on. Everything's all wired in, all matching colors. Nothing's wrong. Everything's the same matching colors. Everything's wired up. Everything fucking works. Everything turns on, but there's no sound whatsoever. And she has a 2004 Hyundai Elantra GT. I don't know if there's a factory freaking amplifier in the car or something, or a bypass switch that needs to be put in, or what, but we had the other factory deck in, well, aftermarket deck in, and nothing was wrong. I mean, it said it's got power, turn it on, it flips out, everything works, but there is no fucking sound. No sound whatsoever, and I have no fucking idea why. So I'm pretty much putting this YouTube channel up to see if anybody can help me out. I would love to get some responses and, you know, a couple things, any hints, tips, if there's a factory amp in the car somewhere or something that I haven't seen or I don't know about. But I mean, I've put in multiple decks inside cars, and I've put in mine, and mine's a Kenwood KVH 9310, and 7-inch flip out. Everything's touchscreen, and I had no problems whatsoever. But I also didn't have this fucking stupid fucking box in my car. I have no idea what this box does or whatever it does. I don't know if it's bad or if it's good. But, like I said, YouTube, I'm fucking very frustrated right now. I've gone through this all day long, and, you know, it's on, music's bumping, I should be getting feedback or something. There's nothing. Nothing whatsoever. So, if anybody knows anything or has anything to say or respond, please do. Thank you.